Hello my lovely friends. Welcome back to Kuki Decor. Today, we're diving into a beautiful and inspiring design trend that's all about balance, the unique blend of organic and modern wooden furniture. If you've ever wanted to bring a sense of warmth and nature into your home without losing that clean, contemporary vibe, then this style might be exactly what you're looking for. It's where earthy textures meet sleek lines, where the wild character of raw wood merges with minimalist silhouettes, creating furniture that feels grounded yet elevated. From live-edge tables that showcase the untouched beauty of natural timber to smooth, sculptural chairs crafted with precision and simplicity, this fusion of styles brings the best of both worlds into your space. It's not just about aesthetics, it's about creating a home that feels authentic, calming, and deeply connected to nature. In this video, we'll explore how designers are blending rustic elements with modern design, what types of wood and finishes work best, and how you can incorporate these ideas into your own home with style and intention. Whether you're furnishing a new space or refreshing your current decor, this trend offers timeless appeal and endless possibilities. At Kuki Decor, we're all about helping you create beautiful, livable spaces that reflect your personality and values. So if you're ready to mix organic warmth with modern elegance, you're in the right place. And hey, if you love content like this, don't forget to hit that like button, and subscribe to Kuki Decor for more design inspiration, home styling tips, and furniture ideas daily basis. Your support helps us grow this creative community and bring you even more amazing content. Now, let's get into it and explore how organic modern furniture can truly transform your space. In the realm of interior design, the concept of blending organic and modern aesthetics has grown into a full-fledged movement, especially within the domain of furniture design. The fusion of natural materials and sleek, contemporary forms invites a harmonious balance between the rawness of nature and the sophistication of urban living. This blend is not merely an aesthetic choice, it embodies a philosophy that values sustainability, authenticity, and timeless elegance. Organic and modern wood furniture sits at this unique intersection where artisanal craftsmanship meets minimalistic design, offering a sense of grounded modernity that connects people to both the earth and the era they live in. The appeal of organic modern wood furniture lies in its ability to maintain a strong connection to nature while fitting seamlessly into contemporary interiors. Wood, with its inherent warmth, texture, and variation, is the cornerstone of this movement. Unlike synthetic materials, wood tells a story through its grain, knots, and color variations. These imperfections are not flaws but rather characteristics that lend each piece uniqueness and soul. When combined with the clean lines and understated profiles typical of modern design, the result is furniture that feels simultaneously rooted and refined. Designers and homeowners alike are increasingly drawn to this fusion because it addresses the growing demand for spaces that feel both calming and stylish. Modern interiors, while often praised for their simplicity, can sometimes come across as sterile or impersonal. Organic elements, particularly wood, counteract this by introducing warmth and tactility. A wooden dining table with a live edge, for instance, brings the organic form of the tree directly into the dining room, offering a striking contrast against a backdrop of concrete floors or white walls. It becomes a focal point not just because of its form, but because of its story, a piece of the forest preserved and honored within a modern home. The types of wood used in these designs are as varied as the furniture styles themselves. Hardwoods like walnut, oak, and maple are popular for their durability and distinctive grain patterns. Walnut, with its rich, chocolate tones and smooth texture, is often favored for statement pieces like coffee tables or media consoles. Its ability to darken gracefully with age adds to its organic appeal. Oak, on the other hand, brings a lighter, more rustic charm that complements both Scandinavian and Japanese-inspired minimalist interiors. Meanwhile, reclaimed wood is becoming increasingly prominent in modern organic design. Not only does it contribute to sustainability efforts, but it also imbues furniture with history. Wood that once served as barn beams or floorboards finds new life in sleek, reimagined forms. Craftsmanship plays a central role in this furniture genre. Unlike mass-produced items, organic modern furniture often emphasizes the maker's hand, showcasing joinery techniques, subtle curves, and attention to detail. Mortise and tenon joints, butterfly keys, and hand-sanded finishes highlight the artistry involved, reinforcing the notion that these pieces are not just furniture but functional art. The integration of these techniques within a modern framework results in furniture that's not only visually compelling but also structurally sound and long-lasting. The blend of organic and modern is also about restraint, knowing when to let the material speak and when to guide it. This is where design intuition becomes essential. A modern chair may feature a molded plywood seat that conforms to the body's curves, its simplicity elevated by the rich grain of the wood. A sideboard might juxtapose a sleek, matte black frame with doors crafted from natural oak, the juxtaposition serving both a functional and aesthetic purpose. These designs are deliberate in their contrasts, using tension between materials and forms to create visual interest and emotional resonance. One of the fascinating developments within this trend is the incorporation of mixed materials alongside wood. Metal, glass, leather, and stone are often used to highlight wood's organic beauty. For instance, a dining table might pair a live-edge walnut top with minimalist steel legs, the coolness of the metal providing a striking counterpoint to the warmth of the wood. Similarly, a wood and leather lounge chair combines tactile comfort with structural elegance, while a wooden coffee table topped with tempered glass allows the base's craftsmanship to shine through. These combinations reinforce the dialogue between nature and modernity, emphasizing balance rather than competition. The color palette in organic modern wood furniture tends to remain muted and earthy. Natural wood tones dominate, often left unstained to preserve the authentic beauty of the material. Finishes are typically matte or satin, allowing the texture and grain to be felt rather than hidden. This approach aligns with the growing appreciation for wabi-sabi, a Japanese aesthetic that finds beauty in imperfection and impermanence. Knots, splits, and irregular grain patterns are celebrated rather than concealed, reminding us that nature is not uniform, and beauty often lies in the unexpected. Functionality is another hallmark of this design style. Organic modern furniture is rarely ornate or decorative for decoration's sake. Instead, form follows function, with each piece designed to serve a practical purpose while enhancing the spatial atmosphere. Storage units are streamlined, beds are low profile, and tables are unencumbered by unnecessary embellishment. This simplicity allows the natural materials to take center stage, making the furniture feel intentional and serene. The emphasis on usability also aligns with the principles of slow living, an intentional lifestyle that values quality over quantity and mindfulness over excess. In the context of interior design, organic modern wood furniture effortlessly complements a range of styles. It finds harmony in contemporary lofts, where concrete and steel dominate, by introducing an element of warmth and humanity. In mid-century modern homes, it pays homage to the era's emphasis on natural materials and clean lines. In rustic or farmhouse interiors, it refines the aesthetic by introducing sleeker forms while preserving the connection to nature. Even in minimalist and industrial spaces, organic modern pieces can anchor the room with their grounded presence and tactile richness. The rise of biophilic design, an approach that seeks to connect occupants more closely with nature, has also contributed to the popularity of organic modern furniture. By incorporating elements like wood, plants, natural light, and earthy colors, biophilic interiors foster a sense of well-being and tranquility. Furniture plays a crucial role in this, especially when it evokes natural forms or materials. A wooden bench with a gently curved seat, a bookshelf carved from a single tree slab, or a sculptural light fixture made from driftwood, all of these elements serve as touchpoints that reconnect us to the natural world, even within highly urbanized environments. Sustainability is not just an added bonus in this design philosophy, it is often a core value. Many designers and manufacturers prioritize eco-friendly practices, sourcing wood from responsibly managed forests, using non-toxic finishes, and minimizing waste in the production process. The durability of the furniture itself also contributes to sustainability. Well-crafted pieces are meant to last decades, if not generations, reducing the need for replacement and encouraging a culture of preservation rather than disposability. This stands in stark contrast to fast furniture, which prioritizes cost and convenience over quality and longevity. So, the blend of organic and modern wood furniture is more than just a stylistic choice, it is a reflection of our evolving relationship with the environment, with design, and with ourselves. It represents a return to basics, to materials that are real and enduring, shaped by human hands and natural forces. Yet it also embraces the clarity and intentionality of modern design, proving that nature and innovation are not mutually exclusive but rather complementary forces. Through this blend, we create spaces that are not only functional and beautiful but also nurturing, soulful, and deeply alive. And that wraps up today's journey into the world of organic and modern wooden furniture, a style that effortlessly brings together nature's raw beauty and the clean, intentional lines of contemporary design. We've seen how this blend can add warmth, texture, and depth to any space, creating interiors that feel both grounded and refined. Whether it's a handcrafted oak dining table, a minimalist walnut sideboard, or a reclaimed wood coffee table with sleek metal legs, these pieces are more than just functional, they're expressions of personality, craftsmanship, and a deep appreciation for natural materials. At Kuki Decor, we believe that your home should feel like a reflection of who you are, and incorporating this organic modern style is a perfect way to create spaces that are not only beautiful, but meaningful and calming. It's about more than just trends, it's about choosing timeless design, sustainability, and quality that lasts. If you found inspiration in today's video, or if you're planning to bring a bit of this style into your own home, we'd love to hear about it in the comments below. And if you haven't already, make sure to like this video and subscribe to Kuki Decor so you never miss out on new design ideas, styling tips, and creative decor inspiration. Your support means the world to us and helps keep this channel growing with fresh, thoughtful content every day. Thanks for spending time with us today. Until next time, keep creating a space that feels uniquely yours, one beautiful piece at a time.